We are back, Prachi and Swar from Kangaroo Kids PSY 2. Today we are back with new activity. Today we are back with tracing the alphabet. Today Swar will do the tracing of alphabet. Okay, let's check into the video how Swar is going to do this activity for you all. Okay, Swar, this is mold. What is this? Mold. And this is alphabets. Okay, so you will trace the alphabet. You will take this alphabet from this and you will trace this alphabet and keep here like this. A, say A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. A for ant. B for balloon. C for caterpillar. D for duck. Dragon. Ooh. E for eye. F for fish. G for gorilla. H for hut. And hippopotamus. Okay, let's check the video now. Okay, let's start. I'll place all these alphabets here and you will find one by one and place in the molds. Okay, now wait, let me shuffle. Let's start. Start, Swar. A, search A, search A. Where is A? Where is A? Where is A? Keep me in mold. Keep me in mold. Where is A? Here is A. Wow. Okay, search B. Where is B? Where is B? Here I am. Here I am. Let me search C. Let me search C. Here I am. Here I am. Where is D? Where is D? Here I am. Here I am. Where is E? Where is E? Search me, search me, search me. Search, search. Place the E. Yes, very good. E. We'll keep F there, okay? Take F. Search F, search F, search F. Wow. Very good. Where is G? Where is G? Yes. This H. Yes, H last. Very good. So, Swar has completed this activity. In this activity, you can make cardboard molds and glitter sheet alphabets. Okay, as well as you can take the printer from net and you can make the flashcards and your child will be keeping things on the flashcards. Okay. Here you can go with the, like I have taken 8 alphabets, you can take 3 alphabets in starting, then we can increase gradually. So stay tuned with us for the next video tomorrow at the same time. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Please do share our video. Please give likes and please mention comments in our comment box. Bye.